In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of a page in Canva. Duplicating a page is a simple way to reuse layouts, maintain consistent formatting, or test variations without rebuilding your design from scratch. I'll walk you through two clear methods, one using the page thumbnails in the editor and another using grid view. Follow along, and you'll be able to copy pages confidently in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. This is just to get you to the official site quickly, especially if you don't have it bookmarked. Type the platform name in your search bar, then look for the official result. It should be the main website with the trusted domain. This ensures you're working in the right place and protects your designs. Next, click on the correct link to open Canva. Once the home page loads, you're ready for the next step. If you land on a sign-in or dashboard screen, that's exactly where you want to be. Now, log in. Use whichever method you normally prefer, email and password or a connected account. Make sure you choose the account where your design is saved so you can access it right away. After signing in, you'll see your recent projects and templates. Open the design editor by selecting an existing design or starting from a template. You'll know you're in the editor when you see your canvas in the center, and, along the bottom, a film strip of page thumbnails. These thumbnails represent each page in your multi-page design and are where the first duplication method happens. To copy a page from the thumbnail strip, hover over the page you want to duplicate, right-click directly on its thumbnail, and choose Duplicate Page. A new page appears immediately, usually right after the original, with all the same text, images, and formatting. This is perfect for making quick edits while keeping your original intact. Alternatively, click the grid view icon, which shows the total number of pages, in the bottom right corner of the editor. Grid view displays all your pages at once in a larger, more visual layout, which is helpful when you're working with many pages. In grid view, right-click the page you want to copy and select Duplicate. You can also hover over a page to reveal the duplicate icon and click it. Your copied page will appear in the grid, preserving the exact layout and elements. When you're done, continue editing as usual with your newly duplicated page ready to customize. That's it. Two reliable ways to make a copy of a page in Canva quickly and cleanly.